Next, we coming to the option Greek. What is option Greeks? Option Greek means a Greek is a collection of statistical value. Okay, it gives overall view how the stock has been performing. With this statistical view, it will compare with the price and say how it is performing. It is useful decision option strategy. Strategies show trends based on the past performance. So based on the past performance, it will say what is will be the future. Second, the Greek used in option valuations. When what kind of Greeks? Delta, gamma, theta, rho, vega. These are the Greeks. What is a delta? Reflects a change in the option value upon 1 rupee change in the price of underlying share. The option value, like if a 1 rupee change is happening of the underlying share, it reflects how it reflects the change. That is delta. Gamma reflects a change in the delta. A delta change na of 1 rupee change in the underlying price. Theta reflects the change in the option value of 1 day change in time of expiration. For theta is 1 day. Rho reflects a change in option value of 1% change in the risk-free interest rate. And Vega is reflects a change in option value of 1% of change in volatility. So based upon the change, 1 rupee change in delta is based upon the option value to underlying value is delta. On the delta change, 1 rupee change, that is gamma. Theta is 1 day change, how it will be. And a rho, that is change is 1% change in the risk-free rate of return, rate of rate. And Vega is a change, the option that upon 1% change in volatility. This all this the delta, gamma, theta of the option Greeks.